Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to optimize your Instagram bio for sales. So I will be showing you a few steps here on how to optimize your Instagram bio. So the first thing here is, of course, you must have a well-optimized bio. Optimized bio indeed. It will be simpler for customer to find you before your competitors if your brand's Instagram profile appears in the search results for individuals looking for your expertise and has a well-optimized bio with a primary keyword. So in your bio, you have to indicate to prospective buyers where they may purchase your goods. Inform prospective clients of your brand's contact information, provide an address or place to validate your base of operations, encourage customers to complete a desired task, and so on. Now, if you want to create a good looking profile, I highly suggest Canva. Here in Canva, you can create a good looking profile. Of course, if you're a beginner and if you want to have a catchy logo or even catchy brand's name or everything, you can just simply edit it right here, design, or you can also edit your product. For example, if you're selling mugs or t-shirts, you can use Canva. So here, for example, I'm going to create a catchy profile. So for example, I will be selling clothes. So you can go to Canva and then search for cloth, clothing, or whatsoever, and then it will show you some results related to that keyword. And all you have to do is to add your face or add your product's face or logo of your product and then do some simple and plain editing. So once you have picked that design or that logo for your product or profile for your Instagram business account, then all you have to do is simply download it. So this is an example. All you have to do is to add a delete and then add your picture right here or add the name of your product right here, add your product's image right here. And so then everything is up to you. Once done, tap share and then download this and you can go back to your Instagram, change your profile or upload these images. For example, these are your products. So this is how you create a well-optimized bio. One of the ways in how to create optimized bio is to create a catchy picture to your profile and also to your products. The next is your location. So in order for potential consumers or customers to determine whether your brick and mortar store is a good fit for them and schedule a visit, they need to know its location. You must be very visible to that. As much as possible, it's also a good location, but if not, it's okay. Brands can make their location obvious on Instagram through a variety of ways, of course, such as in the bio copy, use city abbreviations. Provide a link to maps so that customers may access it and see where you are. Users accessing this feature using a mobile device are the only ones who can use it. So that's it. You can add abbreviation, provide a link. Third is a call to action. Well, basically, you can ask a help from ChatGPT to create a fantastic or amazing message, or let's just say instant message to your customers or consumer. But basically, visitors to your Instagram profile should be prompted to take action by your bio. If you include a call to action beneath your bio that says something like view shop, book now, or order food, you have a higher chance of turning visitors into paying clients. Nevertheless, desktop computers are unable to view this, only mobile devices. So to boost online sales like clothing or restaurant, something like that, View shop now and buy now is also a good way or a good call to action for your customers. Lastly, we have here a business category. So you can quickly inform potential clients about what your brand offers by include a business category in your Instagram bio. Over 1,000 categories are available on Instagram, such as artist, restaurant, grocery store, product service, health, beauty, and shopping retail. So it's up to you what business category you would like to choose. Also, here on your profile, Instagram profile, you can add fantastic photos of your products, amazing and captivating photos of your products, images, you can add it also to your collection. So basically, you just have to create a good profile right here, build a catchy profile by adding more details and specific details about your business. Also, add more pictures if possible. So, in this way, or by following some of this, it will somehow optimize your Instagram bio for sales. So please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want us to create a new tutorial or video, please do comment down below. Suggest any tutorials down below. And thank you so much for watching. See you again in our next video tutorials.